Sometimes you have to know when you're over your head working on something. This swing arm issue has gotten worse. I tried to tap it out with a crappy Chinese tap. And it broke off in the hole. I don't know if you can see it. But there is a tap inside here. So I'm talking to a local machinist, and I'm gonna take the swing arm off and bring it to him and have him look at it. Let's see how it goes. So here's the swing arm. I wanted to show you the part that needs to be machined. It's this side over here. Look at that. I broke off a bit. So I'm gonna take this guy up to the machine shop and hopefully they can get it fixed.
3 days later.
Hey, this is Curtis at B&B Machine Shop. What's up, Curtis?
How you doing? So what we had here, we had a broken off tap that was from the bottom side. Had to punch the tap out very carefully, and then we ended up putting a 8mm 125 by 15mm time insert inside of there and straighten it out. It was not fun.
You didn't say anything bad, did you?
Nah. Oh well, I might have said a few choice words while I was getting the tap out, but after that, it was pretty much a walk in the park. So, but if anybody ever needs, if you want good inserts, Timesert. That's where you need to go.
Timesert, cool.
Helicals are a thing of the past. Timesert is the way to go. They are hardened inserts, and they are very good. We have quite a selection of them here in the shop. We do it. I think we have everything from down to 1032 all the way up to 3/4 19mm and 8 125 to 19mm. We got they're not cheap, but they're good. And they will last you a whole lot longer than helical. They're definitely worth their weight in gold when it comes down to bolt repairs. So
Nice. Hey, appreciate your good work on it.
all right, bud.
Appreciate it. All right, man.